In today's world, creating AI content often means switching between multiple platforms for images, videos, avatars, and other creative tasks. This not only slows down your workflow, but also makes content creation more complicated than it needs to be. That's where Luva comes in. Luva is an all-in-one AI creation platform that brings everything together in one place. You can generate cinematic videos with premium models like Seedance 1.5 Pro and the newly launched Seedance 2.0, create stunning visuals using Nano Banana Pro and GPT Image 2, animate photos with AI avatar tools, and explore a growing collection of powerful AI tools designed for creators. What makes Luva stand out is its unlimited plan, unlimited premium image models, plus the best price for Seedance 2.0 on the market, without constantly worrying about usage limits. Whether you're creating content for social media, marketing, or personal projects, Luva provides a faster and more streamlined creative workflow. If you want to create more, experiment freely, and access multiple premium AI models in one platform, check out Luva through the link below and start creating without limits. After clicking the link, you'll land on the Luva dashboard. As you can see, everything is organized into different categories right at the top, including AI video, AI image, AI avatar, AI agent, and a collection of AI tools. This makes it easy to access multiple AI capabilities from one platform without constantly switching between different websites. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on Seedance 2.0, one of Luva's most powerful AI video models. Simply head over to the AI video section, where you'll find multiple video generation options. Seedance 2.0 is designed for creators who want more cinematic results, smoother motion, better consistency, and greater creative control over their AI-generated videos. From here, you can upload an image or enter a prompt, describe the scene you want to create, and generate a high-quality AI video in just a few clicks. Let's see how it works in action. Let's start with text to video. First, I'll enter my prompt here. If you're not sure how to write detailed prompts, you can also use Luva's built-in prompt assistant to enhance and optimize your ideas automatically. Once the prompt is ready, I'll adjust a few settings like resolution, aspect ratio, and video duration based on the type of content I want to create. After that, all I have to do is click generate. Within a few moments, the video is ready. Let's play it and take a look at the result. As you can see, the scene features a massive, ancient floating city suspended above the clouds at sunrise. Gigantic waterfalls pour from the edges of the city into the sky below, while thousands of glowing airships travel between towering golden structures. The camera slowly glides through the city, revealing intricate architecture, cinematic lighting, atmospheric clouds, and an incredible sense of scale. The level of detail, motion quality, and overall cinematic feel is genuinely impressive, especially considering it was created from a single text prompt. Now let's create something using image to video. To do that, I'll first head over to the AI image section and select GPT Image 2. Instead of generating a video directly from text, we'll first create a high-quality image that can later be animated into a cinematic scene. I'll enter my prompt here now. I'll make a few adjustments such as aspect ratio and other image settings, then click Generate. After a few moments, the image is complete. And just look at the result. We have an incredible scene featuring a lone explorer standing on the edge of a gigantic floating island above an endless ocean of clouds. Massive ancient ruins rise into the sky, illuminated by golden sunset light, while distant floating landmasses create an epic sense of scale. The lighting, atmosphere, composition, and level of detail are absolutely stunning, making it the perfect starting point for animation. I'll download this image and head back to the image to video section. From here, I'll upload the image, add a motion prompt to describe how I want the scene to move, adjust settings like resolution, aspect ratio, and duration, and then click Generate. After a short wait, The final video is ready. Let's take a look. The camera slowly pushes forward through the clouds as sunlight shines across the ancient structures. Floating islands drift gently in the distance. Atmospheric fog moves naturally through the environment, and subtle motion brings the entire scene to life. What started as a single static image has now been transformed into a cinematic sequence that looks like a shot from a fantasy film. The motion quality, scene consistency, and overall visual storytelling are genuinely impressive. Leading AI models together under a single subscription. The platform offers multiple plans depending on your needs. The Max plan is a great option for everyday creators, providing access to premium tools such as Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and other powerful AI models, along with generous monthly credits for regular content creation. For users who need even more power and scalability, the Ultimate plan unlocks higher credit limits, priority access, and even greater creative freedom for large-scale projects. What really stands out is the unlimited access available for premium model. Luva gives you unlimited access to premium image models while offering one of the best prices for Seedance 2.0 on the market. Instead of worrying about constantly running out of generations or paying for multiple subscriptions across different platforms, you can create videos, images, and other AI content from one centralized workspace. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, designer, or filmmaker, this makes the entire creative process much faster and more efficient. Overall, Luva combines powerful AI video generation, advanced image creation, premium AI models, and flexible pricing into a single platform, making it one of the most complete AI creation ecosystems available today. If you'd like to try Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and many more premium AI tools for yourself, be sure to check out Luva using the link in the description and start creating without limits.